What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look who's back.
Hi.
As you can see, I'm very tan. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely check it out. I do have this stupid line on my forehead from wearing my hat in the sun too much yesterday.
We're on a boat.
But we were on a boat yesterday for Brooke's birthday, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because you would have saw some clips of that. It's the same as the YouTube channel, Lago_SRT. But today, we've been talking about it for a while. We're going to be doing some pulls today. What is a pull, if you ask? Basically, it's just going fast. Hauling ass. That's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to Floyd Bennett Airfield. I've never been there. It's in Brooklyn. Sorry, just trying to cut around this traffic. Everybody's driving so slow. But, yeah, so we're going to Floyd Bennett Airfield in Brooklyn. We've both never been there. It seemed pretty cool. It looks like there's like some open runways. I don't know if we're going to be able to do pulls there exactly, but we're going to try. If we can't, we'll find another spot, whatever. As you guys know, I live in Queens, so it's not easy to find places where I could just, you know, drive fast without running into people. So it's just, yeah, or cops. It's just, it's really hard, and I'd have to drive out to Long Island, and it's a pain in the butt. So I figured if we're going to check out some cool spot, let's check something out close to me. Well, it's not really that close. It's like a half hour, but we're still going to drive there. We're going to check it out.
Yeah.
And worst comes to worst, you get some good B-roll of some scenic footage of Floyd Bennett Airfield, you know?
Yeah.
So
We'll wing it.
we'll wing it. And like I said, if we can't do it there, we'll find another spot. It's no big deal. So we'll see you guys there.
Peace.
All right, guys, we're here in Floyd Bennett Airfield. It's the first time here. It's honestly amazing. If you've never been here, you live in New York, come check it out. It's so nice. We're like right by the water right now. As you guys can see, big empty parking lot. There are some cops here, so I'm just kind of driving around, getting used to the area, but I can see why there's so many signs that say no drag racing prohibited, because there's just so much open like concrete where you can go. So I'm just gonna drive around a little bit. Hopefully I can find a spot where I could do a few pulls, and hopefully no one will bother us. But I was already taking pictures of the car. Cop rolled up on me, was looking at me like, what are you doing?
Did he ask you anything, or
no? I just said hi to him, and then I told him that I'm taking a picture.
And yeah, I saw him smile and like pull away.
But yeah, so let me see if I can find a spot, and hopefully we can get some pulls in here. All right, guys, we're gonna do the first pull right here. It's just a lot of open road, so let's see real quick. I'm gonna throw it in track. Let me get some space from this guy.
These roads are old. They're very bumpy.
It's donut spots all over the place. So we got track on, traction's off. All right, we should be good to go.
I'm scared. That's it. We're lit.
Hold on, I'm about to do it right now. Just make sure no one's coming this way.
When you say traction's off, like, I'm nervous.
All right, ready?
Ready? Oh my god, how do you feel?
That's crazy, right?
Oh my god, like my belly is like upside down. Alright, take two.
They're on track. Ready?
Ready? Well, hold on. How are you feeling? You're on. How are you feeling?
Oh my god. That like, I don't know, it like sucks the, what is it? It's like just, I don't know how to explain it.
Today, Junior?
You feel like you're in like a vortex, like you're just like you can't move, like you have no will to push.
It's really crazy.
It's, yeah.
It like really pushes you back in your
yeah,
seat.
No, I lost
so crazy.
all will to fight. That was scary. And I'm doing that today?
You know what? We'll save that for another video. Yeah, we'll save that for another.
Okay. Thank God. Crazy. Reporting live with Mr. Bean. How you feeling up there?
I'm trying to get this thing to work.
Is it snug?
Snug.
Oh, you have it on your phone.
Why isn't that connecting? Join.
Honestly, the Wi-Fi here and the service is, you know, kind of tough.
Let's see, I just don't know what I'm looking at.
All right.
I think this is good.
We'll circle back. No? This is poll number 3.
Did it turn stuff off?
Heart attack number 10. And we're in this. It's a really cool park, guys. You should definitely come check it out. You found that on Instagram?
Alright, we're gonna do one more pull.
Got some POV action. Oops. Okay. Hold on.
Park up behind us.
Can't see.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Oh my god.
I really can't
That
move when
is
it's
insane.
happening. My whole body.
That is insane how quick. Oh my god.
I really can't
That
move when
is
it's happening.
insane.
My whole body.
That is insane
Oh
how
my
quick that is.
Like, how fast does that go? It's like 0.
Well, I do want to do 0 to 60s, but since it's the first time doing it on the new engine, we're just going to do some pulls. Like,
Gotcha.
they're like 0 to 40s, but eventually we will test the 0 to 60 times out.
Okay.
I probably look like an idiot with this thing in my head,
No,
but
you're fine.
normally my 0 to 60 is, I think my best time was 4.5, which is what they say factory SRT can do, 0 to 60.
Okay.
No.
So it'll be very interesting to see
Yeah.
what will happen. I mean, I will be on 22s. That might affect it a little bit, but
Like
I do have
slower?
the cam. I do have the forged engine. It is tuned, so it should beat that time. But we will find out. I mean, today we're not gonna do 0 to 60 just because it's the first time I'm really doing like heavy pulls with this, and I just don't want to, you know, go too crazy in one day. But we'll definitely be doing some 0 to 60s really soon. But what do you think it feels like?
I don't really know speedometers that well, but it feels like I'm gonna have a heart attack and I'm gonna piss myself. So I'm gonna go with it's working. Whatever TNA did, right? That's what did it. TNA, great job. Fucking crazy. My whole body it's like a roller coaster. I don't know if I'm on camera, but it's I don't know.
I don't know if you're on camera either.
I'm not sure, but wow, that was crazy. All right.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In Queens, it's really hard to find a spot to do pulls in. Maybe at night I probably would have had a little more success, or I got to find a place early in the morning. But we did come here. You saw like 4 pulls. I didn't go crazy, but there were some 0 to like, I think the highest I hit was like 45, maybe almost 50. It's the first time doing like really heavy pulls with the car. So she ran great. I let her cool off a little bit. And no issues. She's running amazing. So we will definitely do a video in the future of 0 to 60 times to compare it from how it was in the past. I don't know if I ever recorded the first stock 0 to 60 times that I had, but as I mentioned, I got 4.5 on them. But that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I always mess up that word. Subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll catch you in the next video, right, babe?
Yes. Bye, guys.